Hello viewers, my name is Emmanuel Daniels. I would like to introduce you to my virtual advanced Excel tutorial. Now this is an advanced Excel tutorial that you can take from the comfort of your home or office. Using my advanced Excel tutorial will make you a master in Excel from a beginner in Microsoft Excel. It's a self-paced virtual training which comprises downloadable videos as well as simulated real-life problems. Now let me give you more insight into what this tutorial entails. Now it's a step-by-step video tutorials with simulated real-life problems and solutions. This is the best Excel tutorial that you can find in the marketplace because every video tutorial illustrates how to solve real-world problems. That is, it is beyond theoretical. Now I'd also like to share from my desk some observations I've made with my experiences with people. I usually get requests from people who send me Excel workbooks to help them solve simple Excel problems, and most often I may not have the time to attend to their requests. This is because there is usually a gap between the level they are in Microsoft Excel, which affects their ability to understand the problems very quickly. Some of these individuals may not have seen the need to improve their skills in Microsoft Excel, while others have attended 3 to 5 day on-site crash courses. I can understand that most people that attend 3 to 5 days on-site crash courses in Excel have limited budgets, and that is why they may be discouraged from attending those courses. Others have busy schedules, which I quite understand, but no matter the challenges you face, you are very lucky reading this information because I have a solution to your challenges in Microsoft Excel. Are you a graduate in finance, marketing, business management, etc.? Excel is a must for you. I've also been part of interview panels for youth corps members who are looking for jobs, yet many of them lack basic office productivity tools or skills. There is no free money anywhere. Corporate organizations are looking for people to solve corporate problems and be rewarded for providing solutions to those problems, and not people to pay salaries. SSL have a lot of functionalities, but many people do not even use up to 5% of the functionalities in Microsoft Excel. Now here are some of the things I have done with I've personally built many applications in Microsoft Excel in the corporate world. Applications from a simple calculator to a stopwatch timer to using Microsoft Excel to build an accounting program. Now, I can understand your pain points. Here are your pain points. You may have attended those 3 to 5 day Excel crash courses and collect your certificate, eat lunch, and after some months, you completely forgot what you have learned from those programs. Let me be frank with you. Excel is very broad. You can't learn Excel in 6 months, let alone those 3 to 5 days crash courses. Or how can many people be patient like myself who read a 1,200 pages Excel books over 3 months in 2006 when I was not even preparing for an Excel exam? Here is a solution to your pain points to help you to become a master in Microsoft Excel. Now, if those 3 days cannot make you to be an Excel user or an expert in Microsoft Excel, then my virtual advanced Excel class is the only solution to your problem. Now, with my virtual advanced Excel class, you'll be taken step by step from the rudiment of Excel to mastery in Excel usage. This program is flexible to meet your schedule, but the minimum time you can cover the entire 4 modules is 30 days of consistent study and practice. If you allocate each day to Excel, in fact, learning does not stop until you cover all the modules and are able to bring your knowledge to bear on problems you want to solve with Excel. Now, here is the coverage for the program. You have the basic module, you have the intermediate module, you have the advanced module, and you also have the macros module. Now, why do you have to learn Excel? It's a must for finance professionals because they cannot do without number crunching. It gives you accuracy and speed as well as edge over your peers. You cannot complete a business plan without Microsoft Excel. You can build applications on Microsoft Excel when you take your skills to Visual Basic Programming, which is optional. And also you can use Excel to bypass a lot of time-consuming data entry functions. You can also use Excel to build models that you can use to evaluate the profit potentials of a business transaction or a project, thereby minimizing business losses. This I have done for so many organizations I had worked for. Then you can use Excel to build templates to check excess bank charges. Finally, you can use Excel to build a customized accounting solution, which I have also done for companies that do not have any budget for accounting softwares. Okay, now for the basic modules, these are the things you are going to cover for the basic module. You have introduction to Excel, examining the ribbon, customizing the ribbon, saving a workbook, planning a worksheet editing techniques, basic formatting, format as a table, cell style formatting, conditional formatting, worksheet level protection and workbook level protection and encryption. Then in the intermediate level, you have introduction to Excel formulas and functions, understanding the concept of references, using names in formulas, sundry math and stats functions for everyday business. Now you're going to apply some of these to real life problems, simulated real life problems, and you can see the functions you're going to use for math and stats functions that are relevant to business problems that you might face. Then you have finance functions that you can also use for businesses, and also you have a practical case study on how to create a loan amortization schedule. You also have logical functions like the if and the or functions, and you also have date functions, which I will illustrate to you with simulated real life problems. And you have reference functions as well as practical applications of some of the reference functions, such as using the index functions and the choose functions to create scenarios in which you can use for budget. Now you also have the advanced Excel modules, which comprises data validations and hyperlinks, different ways of consolidating data, and advanced data analysis functions such as splitting data into multiple columns, flash fill, removing duplicates, performing what-if analysis, using different tools in Microsoft Excel, and database management. Okay, so you also have automating Excel with macros. These are some of the things you are going to do in Microsoft Excel course. So after this course, what is the next thing you have to do? I have another course which is called Basic Excel Dashboard, which you can take, which will take you deep down into how to turn data into powerful and awesome visualizations, both chart and chartless visualizations. So you're going to take your Excel skills that you have acquired in this course to the next level, to preparing visualizations which can provide insights to problems for managerial decision making. And here you can find this course on this site. So I want you to take an action on this course by clicking the button below this video. Alright, you also have some sample video tutorials you can watch to have a feel of this course. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a pleasant learning experience.